So Malcolm, what were your initial complaints for wanting to do the stem cells?
Initially, I came in with some pain and stiffness in the right side of my body and my hip.
Yeah. And how long have you had that?
10 years, probably.
Yeah. And you're pretty active.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fairly active, yes.
Great. And what did that hip pain, did it stop you from doing anything, or how often was it coming up?
It didn't, but it hurt all the time. There was
time.
some level of pain or stiffness, of discomfort anywhere from, on a good day, down to a 3 or 4, up to a 7 or 8.
Up to a 7, 8. Did it ever stop you from doing any activities?
It didn't stop me from doing anything.
But you just pushed through it.
You push through it.
Yeah. Okay. And how did you arrive at, or how did you make that decision to take the plunge on stem cells?
Well, the only other option, if it kept getting worse, was a hip replacement.
Yeah. Right. When I first met you, that was on the table.
Yes. I was told, let's see, I'm 49 now, and I was 44, that I need a hip replacement within 5 or 6 years.
Yeah.
So it's close, but I managed to fight it off a long time.
Yeah.
But I do a lot daily stretching and mobility and a concerted effort to try to keep it as healthy as possible.
For sure.
And so I figured what I have to lose, and I read about some stem cell therapy, and it sounded like it was something that was real.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. And so we're 1 week post procedure. What will you share with us? What's going on for you?
Sure. I still have a tiny bit of pain, but I haven't, in the week since I got the injection. Yeah. It hasn't gone over like a level 3.
Okay.
At any time.
Yeah.
It feels as if the joint's been lubricated somehow.
Sure.
As if I've been stretching it a lot, like I said the other day.
Yeah.
But I hadn't done anything. I think yesterday was the first time I kind of started to move it. And oddly enough, after I move a lot, it feels better.
Interesting.
The area feels, I can feel like the blood flow is getting in there now. So there's definitely a big difference.
Awesome.
In how it feels.
Yeah.
Just the entire area feels like all the swelling that has kind of been in there, so that's why I can describe it, is kind of gone away. It's like I'm on a permanent sort of handful of ibuprofen, is the best way I could describe it.
Interesting.
But interesting how it went to the worst, the problem spot. I have other areas that feel better. I had some nerve tingling in my shoulder blade. Yeah. And that has kind of subsided this week a lot.
Yeah. Oh, and you had mentioned, so our last visit, you had mentioned that there was some scar tissue that you're noticing also changing. Yeah. Yeah, and that definitely has less pain and annoyance than it did a week ago. Wow, 1 week.
I was going to go have it checked out. Yeah. Because it kept growing and it was starting to get painful to the touch. I was kind of concerned about it. Yeah. And I noticed that's kind of hurts less too now.
That's awesome. Yeah. Cool. Well, I'm excited. We'll kind of do a little series of these as you progress through here. But I really appreciate you sharing your story with me. And hopefully with the world here as we kind of work on changing medicine. So thanks.